It's a 2018 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.